Let's talk about something you feel but can't name. That irritation under your skin when you're scrolling at 2 in the morning. The way your heart races when the room goes quiet. We're all running from something, aren't we? And I think I know what it is. Silence. Not the awkward pause kind of silence. I'm talking about the big and ancient, soul-level silence. The kind that doesn't just ask you who you are, it demands an answer. And honestly, we're terrified of it. We've turned our lives into a 24/7 noise parade to avoid that conversation. But here's the catch. Your soul is starving for exactly what your mind's running from. Let's dig into it. Think about your average day. When the alarm blares, or you listen to a podcast in the shower, or need music while you're working. Even your thoughts have a soundtrack. We've become noise junkies, mainlining distraction like it's oxygen. But here's what nobody tells you. Silence is not empty. It's charged. It's where your brain processes grief, where creativity sparks, where you actually hear yourself. No wonder we're all so exhausted. We're fighting a civil war inside our heads. The noise versus silence. And guess what's losing? Let's get real. I used to be the worst at this. I'd drive in total silence, once think, wow, this is nice, then immediately panic and blast music. Why? Because silence doesn't play nice with our modern myths. The myths that say busy equals important. Loneliness means you're failing. If you're not producing, you're wasting time. Silence laughs at all that. It's the ultimate truth teller. Sit with it for 10 minutes, and it'll start unpacking all the crap you've been avoiding. Are you happy? Is this the life you wanted? Who's the person underneath all the hustle? No wonder we'd rather binge Netflix. Our ancestors got this. They didn't have podcasts, but they had rituals. Native Americans sitting in sweat lodges. Even your grandma with her morning tea, staring out the window. They knew silence wasn't passive. It was active soul work. Fast forward to now, and we've pathologized stillness. If you're not optimizing every second, you're lazy. But here's the science they don't teach you. Your brain needs silence like your lungs need oxygen. Studies show 2 minutes of silence lowers blood pressure faster than Mozart. It regrows neurons. It's like a car wash for your mind. And we're out here acting like it's a punishment. Let me drop a paradox on you. The more noise we consume, the smaller our lives get. We trade depth for dopamine hits. But silence? It's an expander. It's where you meet parts of yourself you forgot existed. That childhood dream. The grief you've been swallowing. The weird, wonderful idea that won't leave you alone. Nikola Tesla saw the alternating current motor in a flash of silent vision. Beethoven wrote symphonies in his head after going deaf. Your breakthroughs aren't in the noise. They're in the pauses. So how do we stop running? Start stupid small. Tomorrow morning, drink your coffee without your phone. Just sit there. Let your brain wander. It'll freak out at first. Shouldn't I be doing something? But hold the line. That's your addiction talking. Then try this. Next time you're stuck in traffic, don't reach for the radio. Roll down the window. Listen to the hum of the road. Let your thoughts come like cars passing. No judging. No fixing. Just notice. You're not wasting time. You're reclaiming it. Here's my confession. I keep a silence journal, not some Zen masterpiece. Just messy notes from quiet moments. Like last Tuesday, when I sat on my porch during a rainstorm. First 5 minutes? Pure panic. I should check email. What's that noise? Did I forget to? But then, the rain hit a rhythm. My breathing slowed. And out of nowhere, I remembered this stupid dream I had as a kid to build tree houses. No idea why. But it's got me building one for my niece now. Silence isn't mystical. It's practical. It's where your inner GPS recalibrates. The world's getting louder because we're afraid of what we'll hear in the quiet. But here's the truth. You're not afraid of silence. You're afraid of yourself, the parts you've muted, the potential you've buried, the life you're not living. But what if I told you silence isn't a judge? It's an ally, the kind that sits with you in the dark and says, hey, I'm here. Let's figure this out. So tonight, do one radical thing. Turn off the screens, step outside, and listen, not just with your ears, but with your bones. The answers you're looking for? They've been waiting in the quiet. Silence feels uncomfortable at first because we're so used to running, but that discomfort, it's where the magic happens. Your mind is begging for space, to breathe, to create, to remember who you are beyond the noise. So take this as your sign. Pause, just once today. And if this video helped you remember the power of stillness, do us both a favor. Smash that like button. Subscribe for more reminders to slow down. And share this with someone who's drowning in the hustle. Because the world doesn't need more noise. It needs more people brave enough to listen. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, go find your quiet.